This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Windows Server 2008. If interested, then listen. Server is that machine who gives services to the client, and client is that machine who takes services from the server. Servers are based on Microsoft Windows 3 anti 3.0, Microsoft Windows 4.0, Win 2000, Windows 2003, Windows 2008, Standard Enterprise Data Center. Domain is that group of PCs who shares single security database. Workgroup is that machine whose share its individual security database. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.